To activate a digital pregnancy test or a diabetes patch, or to communicate with a logistics tracker on a parcel, you need a coin cell. Coin cells are essential for powering small electronic devices. But the problem is, they're not eco-friendly. Nearly 15 billion coin cells are thrown away every year. Lithium batteries power billions of disposable electronic devices and are ultimately destined for landfill, polluting nature and our environment. BeFC has created a new recyclable energy source, similar to batteries. They're called biofuel cells. They're manufactured using only disposable, recycled, recyclable, or biodegradable materials. But how? First, we buy 3 types of biosourced materials directly from accredited manufacturers. Carbon in all forms, such as carbon black, nanotubes, and graphite, which can be obtained from water purification, leaves, timber, even pencil leads. Glucose, in other words, sugar. And enzymes, proteins found in our bodies, microorganisms, or even in our food. The combination of these 3 raw materials results in a one-of-a-kind, biofunctionalized, and conductive black ink. And during the manufacturing process, we follow strict safety guidelines, because employee welfare is a real priority at BeFC. Then comes the phase where we print organic ink onto the recycled paper. Yes, this ink will enable energy via electrons to flow. The biofuel cells need one more ingredient to work: liquid. So we add a simple drop of liquid, like water for example. This liquid will act as a catalyst and kickstart the transport of electrons that creates electric current. Remember your physics and chemistry lessons? One last step: quality control. Now the BeFC biofuel cells are ready to be delivered to our customers. BeFC's biofuel cells won't end up in landfill. They will break down naturally in industrial compost or recycling bins without damaging the environment. So, when 15 billion end-of-life BeFC biofuel cells are disposed of, they will end up in industrial compost or a paper recycling bin without damaging the environment.